experiment is colorful gels. So, the materials we need are yellow color, red color, crystal powder, spatula, stirring stick, 2 cups, measuring cylinder and water. First take water and measuring cylinder and measure 15 milliliter water. Pour it into the first cup. Add 2 drops of red color to it. 1 and 2. Mix using the stirring stick. Take the spatula and crystal powder and use the spatula to add 1 scoop of crystal powder. Again mix using the stirring stick. Take water and measuring cylinder again and now measure 25 milliliter water. Slowly pour it into the second cup. Add 2 drops of yellow color. 1 and 2. Mix using the stirring stick. Again add 1 scoop of crystal powder. Mix it again. While you were doing in the second cup, the crystals in the first cup were already made. See these soft, fluffy crystals. Now, see, both of the crystals are ready. Do you want to know why these are small and these are big? Because I used less amount of water in this and more amount of water in this. It is big and it is small. Do you want to know the science behind this? Absorption is the process when a thing becomes part of another thing, and crystal powder is made of superabsorbent powder. When we mix it with colored water, it starts to absorb the water, and after that these crystals are ready, and these are very